welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to review the egg steamer. It is like an egg boiler, but it's actually called an egg steamer. So it has 4 pieces. We have the cover, we have the measuring cup, and where you lay your eggs, of course, and the cooking machine. I will call it cooking machine for this purpose, and you put it on and off here. Okay, so you place that thing, I don't know what it is called. So maybe we can go through the operating instructions with you, just as it looks on the exact document, the exact machine. So it says operation 1. Place the machine on a flat surface. We are on a flat surface. Reference to the scale of measuring cup and add the proper water to the base, piercing the top of the egg to avoid that they crack. Use the sharp at the bottom of the measuring cup. Push the small hole slightly on the top of the egg. Put it evenly on the egg rack. Cover it with the lid. Insert the plug in corresponding voltage. Press the switch button and the product starts to work. Pull the plug when the work is complete. Okay, so let's do this.
Okay, so we're going to start by putting water into the steamer. We measured out 70 ml for hard-boiled eggs, and we pour it carefully and then cover it with the rack where we're going to place our eggs. We have 4 eggs here we're going to use. Place them evenly on the rack. And then, as you were told, there's a sharp edge over here. We're going to pierce the top of the eggs so that they don't crack.
Oh, it actually pierces.
It's supposed to. Yeah. And then we cover our eggs and plug into power. It's going to steam for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how you want your yolk to look like. Yeah, so we wait. If you want your yolk to be medium boil, you can also reduce the amount of water to 50 ml. If you want it to be harder, you put your water to 90 ml. Yeah, so you can see the steam already going into the case, and that is how our eggs are going to boil.
I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it's like it's boiling. Yeah.
So it's been 10 minutes and our eggs are ready. We can see the water that was inside our steamer has evaporated and cooked the eggs, and now we're going to wait for them to cool so that we can use them. Okay, so here are the sausages we are going to use for our Scotch eggs. We're going to skin them, and we need to use the meat that is inside. So we're peeling the sausages. Make sure that you be careful with the knife. The sausage meat is usually sticky, so probably that's why it's preferred when making your Scotch eggs. We're going to add some seasoning to our sausage. start the process of making our Scotch eggs. We're going to dip our egg in the flour. You properly coat it, and then we'll take some sausage meat, and then we'll also pour some flour on that to make it easy to stick on the egg and avoid it sticking on our hands. You shape it into a flat shape so that you can be able to coat it properly. We take our coated egg and wrap it. So now our egg is properly coated with the sausage meat. We're going to dip it in the egg. Ensure it's properly coated, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs. You're going to repeat this process with all the other eggs. Okay, now we are done prepping our Scotch eggs, and we are going to take them to the deep fryer. We're going to check whether the oil is ready for use, and you can see there's bubbles. So we're going to now dip our Scotch eggs. See, they've browned, so we turn them. Remember, the egg is already boiled, so we just need to cook the coating, that is the sausage meat. Now they're ready. That's on the microwave. We're now going to cut and see how they look inside. And there we are. See how thick the coating is, and our well done eggs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Comment down below on any other recipes you'd like to see, and bye.